Papa Big Chin, you need a new haircut.
Shut up. Now quiet down. I'm about to listen to the news.
Breaking news! A man with a mask and a chainsaw is terrorizing your neighborhood. Now everyone scream!
Sorry, you remind me of a Teletubby.
That freak is coming back.
Well, let him come back. I got something else for him.
Ooh, let's go, man.
Okay, where's that freak with the chainsaw? Baby Trevor, I like your hair.
Where's my hat?
Debbie, you heard about the freak with the chainsaw?
I sure did. I was listening to the news on the radio while eating my buffalo chicken sandwich.